Hello and welcome back to Google Cloud Platform Beginner's Guide series. In this video, we will set up our free Google Cloud Platform account. We will follow some of the very basic steps and we'll get started with our Google Cloud Platform account. So let's get started.
Start with, navigate to cloud.google.com. Once you are here, you will find different options to get started as a free. You can even take a look that new customer get $300 free credits to spend with Google Cloud. And it shows that number of products that you can start exploring with the free usages. Click on the see offer details to get the details of the different offers you have with the free Google account. You can see the list of services it provides, and maybe you can go and check out the limit of the usages as long as you are on the free tab products. Click get started for free. Here you need to sign on with your Gmail account. Once this is done, you just need to provide some of the basic information to start creating your account. I accept the terms and services. The good thing you will find here is that there will be no auto charge after free trial ends. So once your free trial ends after 90 days with a limit of $300, you won't get charged unless you manually upgrade to a paid account. So even though you need to provide your credit card information, you don't need to worry about the overrun and overcharges unless and until you go ahead and update your account to a paid version. Let us go ahead and click on continue. Account type, I'll change it from business to an individual. I'll just provide my card details here. And then provide the tax information.
And click on the Start My Free Trial.
As soon as your payment is done, that's it. You are set up with your new Google Cloud Platform.
And this is the very first look of Google Cloud Console. You can see all the list of products in the console and the different settings that is available for exploring all the services. So that's it from here. We are done with our Google Cloud Platform account setup. In the next video, we will explore Google Cloud Console. Thank you for watching this video.